Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a bunch of empties to show you. It's not as much as I typically have in my past empties videos, but it is still quite a bit. So this is what my container looks like. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first off, I have 3 things from the same brand, and it is my favorite hair care brand ever. I've talked about them before, I've done a sponsored video with them, but it is Soapbox Soaps, and I've just got like dust and hair on this stuff everywhere. But this is the activated charcoal conditioner for detoxifying and refreshing, and this is the shampoo also in activated charcoal. This combo is so good. It left my hair feeling so nice, and it feels so good. It's so soft and so easy to manage after it. I love this brand so much. Love this combo. This one and the tea tree one is super good. I'm currently using the bamboo one right now. It's not my favorite scent. To me it smells kind of like bug spray, but it still does a really good job at removing buildup and leaving my hair feeling nice and clean. In addition to those shampoos and conditioners that I just showed you, I also have the deep conditioner, which is amazing. I actually found this at my local grocery outlet, and it was like a fraction of the price, and I picked up a ton of them. So I've got a ton of backups. I've already got a new one in my shower, and I've got like 5 more left. So this stuff is super incredible. I just put it in my hair while I'm in the shower, and I just let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I rinse it out, and it's so soft and so nice. I also have a dandruff shampoo, which I talk about all the time, and this is the therapeutic shampoo from Equate from Walmart. So sometimes I'll just use this shampoo and just this deep conditioner, and it does a really good job leaving my hair feeling soft while also clearing up any dandruff that I might have. So love that stuff. Moving on, I do have some more hair stuff. I have this one from Way, and it's their finishing cream. I didn't really care for this. I don't feel like it did anything spectacular. I didn't notice any difference with it, but I did really like this one from Nelson J Beverly Hills. It's a moisture healing mask, and what I would do is after I would get out of the shower, I would just squeeze a little bit of this into the palm of my hand, kind of rub it together, and then run it through my hair, and it did a really good job leaving it feeling really soft, and it smelled incredible. So this was a product that I really did like, and I would definitely look into purchasing it. Some more hair stuff. I think I just have one more. Yeah, looks like just one more, but this is from Marc Anthony True Professional, and it's the Strengthening Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner. Again, this was a really nice product as well. I've tried this before and I love it. It does a really good job, again, helping my hair to feel soft and easy to manage. It's for nourishing detangles and reducing breakage, frizz, and split ends, and it has caffeine and ginseng in it, and I just really like this product. So that's another really good one. Moving away from hair products, I now have some body products, face products, things like that. So the first one I have is from Paqui. It's the Body Treats Rose Body Polish. This is just a sugar scrub. I did really like it. It definitely left my skin feeling nourished, and it got rid of a lot of the dead skin. However, the packaging was really difficult. It's just a squeezy tube, but it was just so hard to get out. Like once you got to like the halfway mark, it was very difficult to get out of the container. So as far as the design of the packaging, I don't like it, but the product itself was really nice, and one of the best sugar scrubs that I've personally ever used. I used up one of my favorite face washes. This is from Up and Up. It's a Target brand, and it's their invigorating facial cleanser. It's compared to Clean and Clear's Morning Burst cleanser. It's really nice. I use it all the time. I have backups. I've got one in my shower, and I've got one next to my sink, so I just continue to use this. My skin likes it. I don't break out from it or anything like that, so it's just one that I've been using for years, and I definitely recommend. Some additional face products that I've used up include this from Derma E. It's the Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. It has hyaluronic acid. This was really nice. I used it in conjunction with their moisturizer, and I really like the combo. Not my favorite facial serum moisturizer overall, but still really nice. It has a really nice scent to it, and it definitely left my skin feeling moisturized. I just didn't notice any difference as far as like the appearance of my skin, which I typically see when I reach for a serum, not a moisturizer, for a serum, but I did still enjoy this. I also used up from Elise the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. This one was super nice, and I actually did notice a difference in my appearance. When I used this one, it definitely made my face feel and look more plump. Definitely refreshed and moisturized. It looked healthy. It had a nice glow to it. I really, really like this. Definitely one of my favorite products that I've tried. I also have from Philosophy is the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. Truthfully, I don't remember anything about this one, so I've got to say that it didn't really make a difference to me because I don't remember anything about this product. I also have the Vitabrid C Dual Drop Serum, Age Defying and Deep Hydration. This was just an oil. It was really nice, but again, I didn't notice anything spectacular using it. It was just a nice facial oil. I used up from Drunk Elephant, it's the C Firma Day Serum. It looks really gross because it started leaking everywhere. This actually smelled like bacon grease to me. I don't know if that's how they all smell, but this one in particular smelled like bacon grease, and I didn't notice anything spectacular using it. I used it with the one with the light blue cap. I don't remember what that one's called, but they were a nighttime duo, I believe. But again, it was okay. The scent, like it would dissipate, it wouldn't linger or anything, but the fact that I felt like I was putting bacon grease on my face was not my favorite. I also used up this product from Verify, and it's their Power Trip Photo Glycogen plus AHA facial serum. This one was actually really nice. I did enjoy it, and I was sad when I finished it, but it was a very nice product. It definitely left my skin looking and feeling healthy and moisturized, so I do like this one. I used up some toothpaste. This is the Colgate Max Fresh with whitening breath strips, and it's the green one. And I also used up some Oral-B Glide Pro Health dental floss. There's, again, hair and dust everywhere. So two of my favorite products, always repurchase those. I'm big on teeth and dental care and things like that. Growing up, my dad was a dental technician and my mom was a dental assistant, so oral care is very important to me. Next up, I've got from Urban Decay, it's their All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This is always one of my favorite products. Probably my favorite setting spray overall, I'd say, from any brand. I just really like it. I think it does a really good job keeping my makeup in place and really good at like refreshing my makeup throughout the day. From Babe Lash, I have the Essential Serum. I have used this for quite a while now, and I actually had some lashes just kind of fall out like right here, and they have completely grown back. I want to say thanks to this serum, and they are just about as long as the rest of my lashes and how they should be. So I do really like that serum. I know that lash serums can be kind of controversial, but I did really see results with that one. My lashes not only grew, the ones that were missing and fell out, but the rest of them actually grew longer as well while I was using that, and I do have a backup tube as well. Some face products that I used up. This was a bronzer in Ooh La La, or actually I think it was just a eyeshadow. It's from the Balm, but I used it as like a bronzer contour shade, and it's the What's the Tea Ooh La La. It was really nice. It made a really nice contour shade. I'm currently using an eyeshadow single from Ulta now as a contour shade, which I do like, but it's a little more gray purple tone than this one, which was definitely more like brown toned, I guess. So I did really like that as a contour shade. I also used up Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This is one of my favorite powders. I talk about it all the time. I use it every single day. I might be interested in switching out because I did see that the first ingredient in this is talc, and I saw a video, I believe it was Jen Love's review, talking about talc, and it's really not good for you. It can cause cancer and things like that, and I don't want to take my chances with that, so I might be looking for a different type of powder, but I have like 4 backups of these and I don't want them to go to waste because I love it so much. But if you have a powder that you really love, let me know what it is down below because I'm interested in hearing. I also used up a BC foundation from Yensa. It was a super nice foundation. It's really interesting because it's a BB cream, CC cream, and foundation. It gives you really good coverage, but it's not as heavy as a typical foundation because of the fact that it is a BB and a CC cream. But the coverage is really nice. It looks natural, it's easy to blend out, and this shade, I have it in light neutral. It matched my skin tone perfectly. Just 3 more products. This one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Chocolate. I do really like this. I have a backup that I'm using now. I've also got a bunch of Benefit brow products. I'm trying to really figure out how to do my brows and make my face look nice and presentable. It has always been something that I get comments on is my brows, but that is a product that I typically tend to use. I just sometimes use it with a heavier hand and my brows don't always look the best. And the last 2 things that I have are liquid liners. This one is from Douce and this one is from Ipsy and Betty Boop. I actually just finished this one up today. I was using it. I did my wing on one eye and then it just like started skipping and it wouldn't glide anymore. So I knew that it was time to pass it on. I did really like this one. Douce, I did like it too. It had a really nice fine tip as well, but it did dry out a lot faster than a typical liquid liner pen. So that is everything that I used up in the last few months. Let me know down below the things that you have been using up, and hopefully you enjoyed this. Give this a thumbs up and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.